Right, the paper on the set. Right, lighter. Elderbigz do piece of baked chicken. Yeah, man. Match up some baked chicken in the night. Okay. And some white rice. I understand. I think I have some mango juice on my blend from yesterday. Yes, so some of that I go do me good in the night. I'm a pep. Alright, so Elderbigz run through and cut up the chicken. So that's how I can see what I go on with pep. Alright, my babe. See that? Yeah, good. Yes, man. I saw that green I find. Yeah, man, I foreign rice, my people. Alright. Get it for my second mother, my babe. Yeah, I have a second mother overseas, yeah. One part of British, so she. I know she gonna hear me a big her up. Yeah, I understand, so. She send me some British stuff up and so I go try out some of them in the night. Alright. Like that one. So season with a bag of chili pepper business in it and all type of thing. Words them fine, so yeah. So I go try it out and see what go on. You understand the people? Yeah, so as I say, baked chicken. Go on in the night. Alright. So Elderbigz go through and season up the thing. Get me pape. So that's it. Alright, so now see them I'm gonna throw in the blender, my people, onion and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna go and stay tuned till I blend up them there. My people, onion and garlic and ginger and all type of things. Yeah, man. Blend out. Go through and rub it in, you know. Yep. So I know the baked chicken is almost a thing like jerk chicken, you know, the four funny. Right, so I don't know. Let's see what I go on, because trouble there, the people. Trouble in it. I like it, look like one more season. I know white meat. Sometimes people don't fit on my skin. Alright, babe. So next move, I know say I'm going on the pan. Going on my little toaster. Yeah, man, a toaster me have, I have a big old oven. I not run baking. So, it shall bake. Alright, my peeps, so not so much I look up on the wall. So, put him in my little toaster. Show me how I go on. Long time I sit here and rain no peep. So I'm showing you where mark on it. You see it? Toast or oven. So this is another elderbigz that is. Alright, so I'm going to turn it up and put it on 300. Alright? Yeah. Alright, my peeps. See what I'm going on with the chicken again. I'm looking at people and see what I do this. See it? A little toaster. Oh, Jesus. It look like a Christmas morning though. Yes, my people. Come and say elderbigz, say my baked chicken. So link me down in the comment section and tell me how you look. I don't have to ask if it tastes good because I don't know. Unless I come through the phone. I see people look at now you see me? Mad. All them Lord God. Trouble. Alright. You see me telling us a bacon and jerk are almost the same, but I put my thing on dark. I'm not too like when it white. Alright, let's wait. So one stay tuned because I'll be finish it. People not say that? Trouble. Yes man. So you know see at dinner time, you know my people. And I share some food. You understand me people? You know me move to the kitchen and I gonna take my time cause I share up my neighbor food and I can fix it up good. Right? Right, so and there you see the pepper. Put this up. Alright. See my plate over here, so no people, no say it on. Hold on, let me make a hole in back this one. Boy, the new type of rice, so you can't go along still because you know tough. You know tough at all, my people. Right? Let's plate that thing. So you see, 3 plates around the place. My friend have a fast eating there tonight, you know, people. So you know it thing go. So I'm gonna see him one at a time. Yeah. Some rice cucumber so up here so you know. Draw the pan out here so. Chicken there. Hold on, look, I'm not putting it on so you can over, you must be mad. See me pep? Yes, Jack. So sharing time. Chicken and mouse away, hold on, man. A PHS. Oh, what is that? Hip. Right, my peeps, so. That's it. See the plate them there. Half time, man. Cucumbers. Right. My G them off to live. My G them off to live. All who make a bag of talk and them don't know how we live. Not buy nothing for nobody. Me. No sir. Me a chef. Not happening. Alright me peep, so that's it. I done it you know. I wonder where elderbigz are coming. I'm sure no. Tell you so I have some foreign product. But I know the first me I use it still. I understand the people. Yeah. So it's already mixed sauce. You say pasta, but on a pasta alone you can go in. Nobody chicken don't tell you nothing. So I'm gonna put it one side on the plate. Maybe not everybody like it, you understand so. Right, now me like it, so I put it all over for me. Right. Yeah, peeps, so. Mango juice. Mango juice, where are you? I don't know, so I stop there, no peep. Alright, one gone in the fridge, so. You don't know it, you know. And I see my peep. Got them there. Good old mango juice on yesterday. There, for the people. Good there. All food and this juice are gonna work. Too thick. Master God. Good there, people. Lord God, let me take my tire off flash up. Alright, so. I don't know. One more cup now. One more cup there, people. Alright. Yeah. Eat my plate. Right? Yeah. So I'm checking out, you know, I don't know anything go. I'm gonna mash up some food, but I carry them, I'm gonna give my neighbor and I'm gonna sit down and go on easy about myself, so I'm gonna run myself. I don't want to see me buy chicken and them sitting, but it not happen tonight. I don't know what I make sitting, it not happen tonight. Because, you know why it not happen? Two me are the east of food and I got some me and a human being. No true? So I don't know anything on my people. Like, subscribe and share and big up on yourself. One love. Blessing.